So here's salt and here's sand, okay? Now some people will use salt to put on your glue to stop it from slipping around when you clamp it up. So if you sprinkled a little bit of this salt on there, and just when you clamp that together, the friction will stop it from sliding around, okay? So the issue is, salt is, yes, it's readily available and it's in everyone's house, but there is a chance that the glue is going to react with the salt and weaken its bond strength, okay? You don't want to be using something that has the ability to change the structure of the glue and make it so eventually it's just going to fail and weaken its bond. Now, if we were to use some sand, for example, just a sprinkling of sand, because essentially it's just tiny crushed up rocks, so it's essentially inert, so it's never going to react with anything. It still has a really good bite on there, so it helps to prevent slipping. If you are going to use sand, either use builder's sand or kiln-dried sand that's used for patios and driveways, because the kiln-dried will be perfectly dry and it's really fine particles. Sometimes with coarser sand you get bigger particles in, and you don't want that because it could prevent the wood from joining together nicely. Just remember to keep your salt for your food. And let's just say you don't have sand at your disposal, but you have sandpaper. You can actually rub the sandpaper together and it will drop off a bunch of particles that you'd then be able to use in your clamping, you see.